Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Woman Punches Cop Who Tries to Save Her Life. Let's get into the video, man. Let's see what they actually talking about.
On July 29, 2022, officers observed a female walking in the middle of the road. She was exhibiting signs of intoxication, and when questioned, she expressed suicidal intentions and a desire to die.
Yeah, you good. Hey, come on. Come over here. Come on. This way. Let's go this way. Come on, this way. Escort you. You okay? What's going on?
I'm telling you, sir.
Come. Let's sit on the sidewalk. Right here. What's going on?
Nothing. I hate everybody.
Why you hate everybody? What's going on today?
Why would I talk to you? The sun is right.
Okay, well, let's go this way. Why you hate everybody?
Ma'am, come sit over here with the shade. Hey, come sit down in the shade. Okay.
What's your name?
I'm sure you're looking up.
What's your name? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Why do you have blood on your
I
side?
don't know.
Do you need the fire department?
No. Yeah, but like the fire department.
What's your name?
I don't know, you figure it out.
Yeah, for real, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah, but why
You
you
said
say
Spell it out for me, Daniel.
Daniel, D-A-N-I-E-L.
What's your last name?
What's going on? What's going on today? What's happening?
Yeah, hey, I don't have to talk to you.
You don't, but we hear about your welfare. You was walking in the middle of the road.
Well, I have really good friends out there, and then they're out there, and
who's your
you're
friends?
not my friends. So.
Who's your friend?
You have a date of birth, please.
2581.
2581. Who's your friends?
Why would I even speak to you?
Danny. I'm just trying to help
I'm
you.
not even No.
Daniel?
You're talking about wrong motherfucker.
What's your name? Listen, I'm really concerned about you, okay?
Well, you know what?
Have you been drinking? I can smell it coming out for you.
Yes, I haven't.
Where do you live at?
Not.
Huh? Call.
It's gotta be the county shit.
Okay. Hey, call FD. This gonna turn into a marchman.
What is it gonna turn to what?
A marchman.
Why?
Because you walking in the middle of the road. Listen. You highly intoxicated. I can smell it coming.
But I got friends, bro, and it's like you just kind of grab me.
Okay.
No, so.
You stand by with her?
How much did you drink last night?
I've been drinking a lot. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. No, I know it doesn't matter. I'm trying to make sure that you're okay, right?
I'm not okay. Whatever you say, I'm not being released. So
607.
if I could, I would like keep boxing is wrong. Yeah.
10-4-9, thank you. What else is going on?
I want to die. Not dead.
Why would you say that?
I'm alive.
What makes you say that? Why?
Because I want to be dead and I hate life.
Why do you hate life? Because what got you? What got you to that point, though? I'm trying to help you.
Bro, like life, bro.
Life?
How do you want to die?
Okay, what I want to do is,
What do you want to do?
I don't want to do nothing. I'm gonna...
You just told this officer that you want to kill yourself, okay?
You told me you don't want to live anymore, you want to die.
Alright, next one words no, okay. How ever felt? Like, you get situations, ever felt like sad things?
So you sad? Are you depressed?
Well, I guess sad and depressed.
Okay. Are you sad and depressed right now?
No, I'm not.
So why did you tell this officer you want to kill yourself?
Because I was sad and depressed in the moment.
Because you said, okay, sweet, thank you. That's all I needed to know.
I want to know what happened. How'd you get the blood on your leg?
The blood.
On your left leg there. Right there on the side. Is that bruising? Or
Bruise.
right there. Right there, there's blood.
Maybe attacked.
The officers were worried for the female's well-being and invoked the Baker Act, which provides emergency mental health services and temporary detention for people with mental illness. The Baker Act is similar to an emergency department for people experiencing a medical emergency.
Who's the person who can pick you up?
I got no people.
No people to come pick you up.
No, everybody hates me. You hear that?
Okay, so based on what you told this officer, I'm placing you under Baker Act, or protective custody under Baker Act, okay? You understand that? So when the fire department get here, they're probably gonna transport you to St. Anthony's, okay?
It's not good. Okay,
All right.
let me go like
You stand by. Right here. I'm done with the paperwork. I'm just waiting for them to get here.
Bro, can I just run in them?
No. We gotta get you checked out.
Fuck, bro, it's
You
not.
going to the
Stand
nut
down.
You
house.
hear that shit?
Hey.
I'm not doing this.
Stay in the ground.
I'm not doing this.
Stay in the ground,
I'm
okay?
not sitting here.
All right, well, just don't get up,
Alright.
okay?
It's not fair. It's not fair, man. It's fine. It's fine.
I got you.
I just don't want to do this.
Listen, from what you told me, and you're running out in the street, right?
Well, yeah, I'm around the street.
Hey, we gotta get
Just
you
let me
checked.
go.
We gotta get you checked out. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble.
If you and me, let's get you checked out.
I got checked out already. All right. Hey, so she's highly intoxicated. Was making some statements about hurting herself.
Zero. Yeah, I know.
Hey, no, we're not going.
No, that's up,
No,
bro.
we're not going.
I hate that Spanish shit.
No, okay.
Get your way.
Let me
No,
have your
Man.
that ain't cool.
So,
Don't even touch me.
Are we gonna do this the nice way, or are you gonna go in handcuffs?
Listen, I'm English. Don't touch me.
English. Oh, my name is Jonathan.
Yeah.
My name is Jonathan. My partner is Chris.
This is you and blah.
What's your name? Tell me.
Okay.
I guess like your name is like Mary.
Okay.
Are we gonna go with?
Listen, I'm going with you. I'm disrespecting. Yes, let's go.
Okay, so let's go.
Sorry.
We are gonna take care of you.
I know. Don't even talk to me. The goddamn word. Okay. Yes.
The female's demeanor quickly turned racist and uncooperative before she attempted to swing at one of the officers.
Are we gonna go with them the nice way, or are we gonna go
I'm
ahead?
not going the nice way. That's what I just said.
Okay, so
Okay?
so stand
That's what
up.
I just said.
So stand up.
Just
Okay.
said that shit. Didn't I?
Okay. You ready? Let's go with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go walking my own way.
Let's go.
Listen, you gonna go with them or you going to Pam's?
We're on here.
She gotta go with y'all.
Yeah.
Hey,
Let's go.
I'll print out the
We can
paperwork.
bring the stretcher out just so.
I'll print it out for you guys, that paperwork, okay?
oh, they're laughing about it. You're playing.
I'm just checking on you.
Hey, you take it on you.
Man,
Yeah.
you're gonna fall over.
I'm not falling over because I don't care.
Man,
You.
let's go.
Bitch.
Man,
Fuck. Oh.
get on the ground. Get on the ground.
You're a pussy. That's a horse.
Hey, grab my back up there.
Ah. I love it. I like it.
Yep.
He's a pussy. He's a white. What else would you? You can get a by a woman? Yeah, you're fucking white ass pussy.
Get up. Come on.
White man. White man. White man. Cry like a...
647.
Sorry. Goddamn. You would take the punch, right?
You're going to jail now.
Oh, duh.
Congratulations.
I don't care. But you
Get in. Get in.
Get in the car.
Hey, give me.
There you go.
See? There you go.
Wow, my friend.
Amigo.
You ready, Miss Johnson? You mean it? Come on. let's go.
Oh, wait, no, wait.
Come on.
Oh, God, you're ugly persona.
Damn, I'm ugly too?
Here.
Why you gotta be so rude?
Oh, why not this? Yeah.
Go that way.
Oh, yeah.
I need to get a bigger box of those. Not big enough.
Yeah.
You're all ugly as You're a badass. You're like a
Sure.
Don't do that.
Sergeant.
That's not.
look. What's gonna better, different? It doesn't matter, right?
I'm just not gonna let that happen.
Yeah, you better. Yeah, just walk away.
No, not walk away. Walk around.
You gotta get him.
Relax, or you're gonna go on the ground. You want to stand up? You want to sit on the ground?
I like to be on there.
Just chill out. Relax. I'm trying to help you. You're gonna hurt your wrist. Stop moving. You're gonna hurt your wrist. I'll move the cuffs to the front and be more comfortable. Okay? Take a breath.
Are you doing the back or the side?
I'll have one on this side. It has to be the back.
Back. Okay.
Got it? Yeah, hold it. This way. Thank you. Got it? Yeah. Watch your hand when you step in.
All right, boss man.
Well, thank you, sir. Apparently, our dispatch relay.
The female was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. YouTube thinks.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.